refrain from disrupting the proceedings, please.
I report all my assets in my salin. There is no requirement that we waive our open up our bank deposits, because if that's the case, this will be disastrous to our banking system. Now, but having said that, I am on record. I will not sign any waiver. But let me read the portion of the Chief Justice statement. Isusumiti ko po ang aking waiver sa kinauukulan kapag kumpleto na ang permadong 189 waivers. Kung hindi sila papayag sa hamong ito, bibigyan ko po ng direkta ang aking defense panel na i-rest na po ang aking depensa. Total, wala namang silang napatunayang parang laban sa akin. Maraming salamat po. Obviously, there is already an automatic directive to the defense panel that the case of the respondent will be rested if any of the 189 will sign the waiver. None of the 189 will sign the waiver. It is therefore clear that the instructions are automatic. The defense now, the defense panel, is being instructed by no less than the respondent to rest the case. May we know now the position of the defense panel?
I have not received any instruction up to now.
The instructions, Mr. President, were done in open hearing.
That's correct.
And found in the journal.
That is correct, but that is futuristic, Your Honor. I will ask or instruct defense panel to close the evidence. So it's future, Your Honor. It's not I instruct them. It's not a mandated instruction, Your Honor.
So it is entirely that the Chief Justice will change his mind.
Well, I'm not the Chief Justice. How can I answer for that?
Because you said it's futuristic.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Sapagkat kung matutugunan itong aking binanggit dito, aatasan ko ang aking defense counsel na mag-submit na ng ebidensya.
Salamat po. Salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.
Salamat din po.
Adjourn the floor, Leader.
Mr. President, may I ask the Sergeant at Arms to make a proclamation? Make the proclamation.
All right. The Sergeant at Arms is directed to make the